If you're anything like me, you probably spend way too much time making videos but never converting them into TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts because it's just a bit of a pain in the backside. I'm going to show you how to do that in hopefully under 4 minutes. Let's get cracking. Okay, so all you're going to want to do, and all I have done ahead of time, is select the part of the video that I want to turn into the clip. Now, I'm actually going to go ahead and select everything in here. So it's just within these little brackets right here. And you're going to want to right click, and you're going to select nested sequence. Now that will make a nested sequence. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so double click that. And then what you're going to want to do is select the whole thing again and make another nested sequence. This is purely for aesthetics. You don't have to do all of this, but for me, it just makes that a little bit extra, a little bit more quality. So Alt, click and drag up, and that will make a duplicate version. Now, what you're going to do is find nested sequence 19 in my case, which is this sequence right here. And you're going to want to right click, sequence settings, go to frame size and turn it into 1080 by 1920. If I can actually do numbers. There we go. So that turns it into a basic vertical video. And on the bottom video, the bottom track, what you're going to want to do is bring up the scale to around about 200. That will obviously make it fill out the entire thing and just look a little bit better. Now, the top track, you're going to want to turn to around about 120 to 130, maybe a little bit more. That is entirely your preference. 140 I selected. Now, the bottom video clip, what you're going to want to add is a Gaussian blur. You want to click, drag that onto the bottom one. And then you're going to want to do brightness. There we go. And click and drag that one over as well. And then for the top clip, what you're going to want to do is drop shadow like so. And that is pretty much it. So the bottom clip, let's go to Gaussian blur, and we're going to turn that up to around about 50 to 60. Perfect. And the brightness, we're going to turn that down to -20. And that just makes it pop a little bit more, makes the top clip stand out. Now, the top clip, what we're going to want to do is turn the opacity all the way up to 100. Distance, we'll go for about 20 to 30. And then softness, we'll do around about 50 to 70. There we go. So again, it just makes it pop a little bit more and just stand out, which is nice. And then all that is left is to make some captions. So you're going to want to have the latest version of Premiere Pro and go ahead and transcribe sequence from the text setting. Now, what that is going to do is make a subtitle sequence for the whole thing, which is great. All you have to focus on here is the audio track. So for me, I record different layers, vocals, music, etc. Again, all my vocals, my talking is on audio 2. So select that and click transcribe. Give that a couple of seconds and that will go ahead and make a full sort of file that you can even upload to YouTube for all of your subtitles. But in this case, we're going to use it to create captions on the video. Excuse me for talking really fast in this video, by the way. I'm trying to speed run it and give you guys as much insight as possible within the shortest amount of time. I hate it when YouTubers bang on about random stuff. I used to be guilty of that. So here we go. This is the full transcript of your video. Everything you need to know. So in this case, we're going to do create captions. And all you have to focus on here, it may look a little bit weird and a little bit daunting, is the style. You can go with none, which is probably the only option you're going to have. But if you go into Essential Graphics after creating none, you can create your own style, which is exactly what I've done. It just makes changes the font, changes the color, and adds a stroke. Once you've selected your style, you want to change the maximum length in the characters to around about 25 to 30. That limits how long the captions are going to be, how many words are all put in at one time, and also the size of the captions. Go ahead and click create, and within 3 seconds, you're going to have full captions for the entire video. Let me mute these and show you quickly. As you can see, captions throughout the entire thing, ready to go. Now to export, what you want to do is export media and video, more, render at maximum depth, and render at maximum quality. That is literally it. In under, just over 4 minutes, that is how you convert any part of your video into a clip. If this helped you, drop a like in the video, subscribe for more, and if you want me to talk about anything, if you have any questions, how to do something quickly, let me know and I'll figure it out and I'll make a video for you exactly. All right, I love your faces, you're amazing and beautiful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.